Good evening, guys. This is the day that is the most memorable for me before my flight to Japan with my family and relatives from Pilar, Sorsogon. Yan, si Yakin, despedida party at si Lloyd. Si An, si Philip, ang mga kids. Yan, yan. Picnic time kami ngayon dito sa Sumo ano to? Cavite. Yan. Tingnan nyo ang view. Ang dami ditong nagpipiknik. Oh, yan ang view. Yan. Okay. Sarap dito. Parang probinsya, guys. Sarap mag-picnic. Despedida party nila ito sa akin. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow in Japan. Bye. Happy eating everyone.